Okay, it's Monday, January the 23rd, and I'm at Lima Juliet, and my God, talk about it. I mean, the surf is way up, huge swells. This is really looking pretty amazing. And as you can see, I've got some friends down here at the beach. I'm using my new, my brand new GoPro on my hat. So this is kind of a cool thing. Don't know about the wind, how bad that's going to be for you, but I'm hoping that it's going to be better. So I'm counting 1, 2, 3, 4 detectorists. There's Ron Powers. And I don't know who the heck that looks like. It might be Ross. Yeah, that's Ross. How you doing, Ron?
I think we're nuts.
Good to see you, buddy.
See you.
How's your switch?
It's broke. It's stuck.
Am I taking it home today?
You can.
Okay, good. And there's Ross. Holy crap, look at that. It's trying to catch me. That's some big surf, guys. So there's Ross. There's that Dustin? That Dustin?
Dustin, yeah.
Yeah, there's Dustin. I'm gonna go take a chance and walk out here. Anyway, so here's my buddy. How you doing, buddy? Good to see ya.
I got a quarter so far.
Hey, good for you.
I just got here though.
There's bound to be something good out here. Look at all the man. Oh, this is amazing.
But you know, it's like still relative because if you look at the last step down there, you don't even see them.
Yeah, I know. It's still, yeah,
so
it's all washed up.
We're still way up higher than.
It's better to be where you guys are. This is going to be heavy up here on the front,
yeah.
on the top. Who's on the orange? The orange jacket.
Eric.
Oh, that's Eric. Okay. Is he doing okay?
He's having the same problem I did with the noise.
What's up, dude?
Okay. Hey, dude.
It's not the best.
Dustin.
Huh?
See here?
Oh, you're recording, huh?
Yeah.
With your new camera.
Yeah.
New camera.
Pretty slick. Right in there. Hey. Okay. Got me a little time. I'll take it. I tell ya, the ocean is mean and nasty today, man. Talking nasty ocean. These little these rushes of water coming in off these swells are horrendous. They are pushing hard. So it's raining, and I haven't found much of anything. I think about 12 cents so far. But we'll keep going. Yeah, man. Rough water. Wouldn't want to be out to sea today, for sure. Okay. Next. Look at that. A little piece of blingy earring stuck to a rock. Kind of a cool thing. Huh. Alright, well. Take it. Okay, so that's it for Lima Juliet for today. My gosh, those are way up there, those waves. Pretty awesome looking. Anyway, we're off to the bay. I'll see you guys there. Hey, here we are, Ventura Cove on the bay. Looks like we got a low tide. And
not really anymore.
That's kind of lowish.
Yeah, it's low-ish. Around the corner there's where the good stuff supposedly
there's some really long or pretty good sized cuts in here, but the problem is that those cuts are actually manufactured by bulldozers. So it's not like it's a natural thing, but you know,
what they do is they go out in the bay and drag all that crap up.
Exactly, they need to kind of dredge it out. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and hit it, and it's raining like hell right now. That super sniffer is melting.
No, I just had my trunk open and everything's getting wet in my trunk.
I'm so sorry.
My trunk ain't waterproof.
No, no.
There's a lot of parts of me, but
And neither is the junk in your trunk, right?
yeah, the junk in the trunk ain't waterproof.
Yeah. Okay, here we go. See you guys later. Got myself my first coin in the bay today, and it is a looks like a crusty penny. Yep, that's what it is. Just a crusty old penny. Anything good? I don't think so. Yeah. There's Lincoln. And there's the monument. So, nope, just a regular penny. Okay, onward. Okay, so it fell out of the scoop a couple times, so it's small. There it is. Yeah, baby. I like it. It's a little old space pod. Okay. I'll take him. Yupper. What do you got?
St. Chris, it's silver.
Oh yeah, little St. Christopher. That's cool.
I don't have my pouch. Oh well.
It could be, yeah, it probably is silver.
Basically, it looks just like a dime.
How you been, buddy?
Pretty good.
Well, I know you've been good.
I got that platinum.
Ah, I got, do I have something I was cleaning up for you? I think I do.
You have the ring and the...
Yeah, I think it's in the car.
It's all good.
Sure it is.
Yeah, that thing. Rings up like gold. Wom, wom, wom.
Nice, little plat. That's Dylan's latest platinum. This guy's found 12 rings since the beginning of the year. He's starting to piss us off. Way to go, man.
All right. Good luck to you.
Yeah, thanks. All right, back at it. Got me a dime. It ain't silver, but it's a dime. By the way, that St. Christopher that Dylan just got was the very first target he got as he walked down on the beach. Dang, that guy. He is some kind of lucky. Anyway, got me a dime. I'll take it. Okay, right in there somewhere, I guess. Yeah, okay. Yeah. That's a nickel. I'll take it. Yeah, it's kind of a new nickel, I think. Yeah. Anyway, nickel. Sure sounded good. I'll take it. Okay, I got the little baby space pod. Now I got the grandpa. I'll take it. Anyway, that's it for the day, man. It's just windy and cold, and I'm not finding anything, and the sun's going down.
I found a quarter, some dimes, and some pennies.
I found a couple
and
of
a lot
dimes.
of fishing weights and 6,000 pull tabs.
I found a couple fishing weights, found a couple of space pods,
Yeah.
and a whole bunch of pull tabs. A lot of ring pulls. Yeah. So there's good targets out here. So good luck, buddy. Hang in there.
You too.
We'll see you later on.
I'm gonna drown Dylan and take his machine.
Good idea. Later. Okay, that's about it for the day. I think I'm going to put a fork in it. Now you would think, looking at that would be some kind of an omen. That's beautiful, man. Check it out. That's a double rainbow. I think it's going to be a good year. Hasn't been all that great a day, but it's going to be a good year. This is early, so, you know, let's see what happens. Wow, that is amazing. double rainbow. That's a pretty one. Definitely a pretty one. We got a nice, a really nice sunset. Of course, I can't see the sun, but I can see the effect of it. Really orange over there. Man, that's gorgeous. Yeah, it just doesn't get much better than that, man. Thank you. I'll take it. Yeah, baby. Okay, guys. I'll see you all at the wrap up. Wow. Okay. Okay, we got to wrap up. A little bit of surf, a little bit of bay. Didn't find nothing. I was kind of hoping I'd find a little something more than this for my first time out with my cool little GoPro. But no, it is not to be the case. But anyways, you know, like I said, the year is still young. And there are people out there finding stuff, so I will too. So here we go. This is what we got. Trash was pretty significant. I actually dumped a bunch of this stuff out before I left the beach. Between the beach and the bay, I dumped a bunch of this junk out. So that's it for trash. You know, nothing special about the trash. Out of these, got this funny looking little bolt head looking thing, an unusual looking little lug or something. It's got a screw in the back of it. Got a little small fleet of space pods here, kind of cool. Fishing hook, a little blingy earring, attached to something. I don't know, but that's what it is. For treasures, it's 30 cents. Man, I'm going downhill here. Got 2 dimes and a nickel, and I think there's like, I don't know, 11, 12 pennies, something like that, I guess. And that, my friends, is it. I won't be going out for a while. I got some issues that are making it difficult for me to get out. But yeah, maybe toward the end of the month, I'll be back out again. So until then, you guys have a great day. Be safe out there. Happy hunting. And thanks again for watching.